Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to give Google Merchant Center access to someone who's on your team, maybe outside of your organization, an agency, someone else who's working on your website or your advertising, and you want to add them access, but you don't want to give them direct access to your Google account. So you're going to go to merchants.google.com, and then you're going to be on this dashboard here. Then you're going to go to the very top where there's the gear icon, which is tools and settings. After you click on that, you're going to have account access. You're going to click that. Now, once you're in this screen, you're going to go to users and you're going to click add user. You're going to type in their email address here. Then you're going to click add user. Now this is where you're going to click for different types of permissions. So most of the time it's going to be standard access that you'll be probably providing. If there are some major technical issues, you might need to give admin access depending on the case. For this case, we're going to just click standard. And then down here, you can choose which type of emails you would like them to receive. So you could turn these off to just the information that you would like them to have, depending on what they're doing. You can decide which ones you would like to have them being sent. Once you have all that together, then you click on add user. Then they're going to receive an email that they need to click to verify them as a user and accept your invitation. So you're going to need to let them know that they have to accept that invitation to be able to get access. So once they've accepted, this is going to change from pending to verified. So I'll go ahead and do that so you can see what that looks like after they've gotten in. So I'm going to just refresh this so that's updated. Okay, so I've accepted the invite now. And as you'll see here, it's showing as verified under the standard user. So that's how you do it. If you have any questions, you can write comments below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks.